Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how you can buy a product using card in Pandabuy. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are updated whenever we upload a new video. Don't forget to watch until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. So the first thing that you need to do is first you need to log into your Pandabuy for you to be able to see all of the different sales. So go ahead and choose something that you want to acquire. Say for example we have this one right here, and then what you want to do is go ahead and choose the size that you want, the color that you want as well, and then the next thing is to go ahead and click on this agreed right here, and then once that you're happy with this, go ahead and click buy now, and then in here you want to go ahead and click I have read and agreed, so go ahead and do that and then click submit order. Now for you to be able to pay using card, all you need to do is just add in your card details right here. So this is the option that you want to choose. So go ahead and click confirm payment, and then it will take you into this method right here, and then all you need to do is click this one right here, which is the card, and then just fill in your details, your billing address as well, and as well your postcode and your post town, and there you go. So that's how you can pay using card using Pandabuy. Hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.